Ciao, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another video. And continuing the channel's theme started in the month of June of minimizing or eliminating your time of cooking in the summer, the salads month selection I have for you today I call Savory Sweet Tuna Pasta Salad. Visit the channel's June selections, our sandwiches month, for more cool recipes. Just as in the previous salad video, this one is short, so I'll let you get to it. I truly hope you enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Continue to watch IG, Facebook, and TikTok for a preview of upcoming techniques and videos, as well as our YouTube community page for the following month's theme. Today's salad recipe is my take on a pasta salad made by Sister Betty. Sister Betty was one of the sisters at the church I attended in Palm Coast, Florida, and she made this absolutely wonderful pasta salad. Well, Sister Betty, this one is for you. Sister Betty, Sister Angel did well. I think I did a pretty good version of your pasta salad. Oh my, this salad tasted so delicious that I had to go back for seconds. Well, as you know, July is Salads Month for the channel, and June was Sandwiches Month. Be sure to come back in August to see what cool things will be prepared. I have a surprise for you. Grazie. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this recipe, be sure to give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, my angel, my dear. Be sure your notification bells are turned on so you won't miss any new videos or techniques. And as always, as I part, I like to say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.